Retrofitting shipment containers for use as portable buildings is on the rise. And now the retrofit process is easier, faster, and more economical with the Telstar CD engineered container door. An all-in-one pre-assembled door and frame. The Telstar CD eliminates the need to fabricate and install a separate door frame from heavy-gauge tube steel. Instead, with its galvannealed easy weld frame, the Telstar CD provides a prepared surface to weld the door onto the container wall in just a couple easy steps, saving hours of labor and material costs. With the Telstar CD, after measuring and cutting the door opening, you simply place and weld for a two-step easy weld process. First, determine where you'll locate the door. Then, measure, mark, and cut your opening to the prescribed measurements. Now, place your door into the opening with the front surface of the door frame aligned with the bottom edge of the container. Then stitch weld the left and right jambs of the frame to the container. And apply a continuous weld to the head of the frame. It's that simple. The unfinished door and frame are ready for painting. The Telstar CD is available in left and right-hand configurations. Comes prepped for lock, deadbolt, door closer, and ASA strike. Includes an ADA-compliant threshold and is shipped with loose weather strip and door sweep. An optional 10x10 light kit is also available. The Telstar CD engineered container door, another quality innovation from Tel Manufacturing.